In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and manage marketing projects with Asana in just 5 minutes. As you might know, Asana is a powerful tool that helps streamline project management and enhance your team's productivity. We'll dive right into the process, so let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, click on Login to access your dashboard. For those who are new to Asana, you'll want to click on Get Started or Try for Free to set up your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard, which is the central hub for all your projects. Next, it's time to set up your marketing project. Click on the Create a Project button. Here you can start from scratch with a blank project, or choose from various templates like marketing campaign or product launch. These templates come preloaded with tasks and sections that are helpful for typical marketing efforts. Once you've opened your project, name it with a clear and descriptive title, such as Q2 Social Media Strategy. This will help everyone easily identify the purpose of the project. For the layout, you have some options. List view gives you a structured task list, board view offers a Kanban approach, and calendar view is ideal for visualizing deadlines and timeframes. Now let's define the project goals and scope. Start by setting clear objectives. Think about the purpose of your campaign. Are you hoping to increase brand awareness, drive more traffic to your website, or generate leads? Once you've outlined these goals, break the project into key milestones, such as planning, execution, launch, and review. This will help you track progress and ensure that you're hitting targets along the way. With the goal set, organize your tasks and assign responsibilities. Create sections or stages within your project, such as research, content creation, design, publishing, and analytics. Within these sections, break down work into manageable tasks and subtasks. This granular approach will make it easier to allocate resources and monitor progress. It's important to set due dates and prioritize tasks to keep everyone on track and focused. Assign your team members to specific tasks to ensure clarity and accountability. This will prevent confusion and overlap, making your team function more efficiently. Finally, let's talk about some of the Asana features that make managing your project even more effective. Setting dependencies between tasks will allow you to map out what needs to be completed before starting the next task. Custom fields can be used to track task progress, priority levels, or allocate budgets. Automations will help minimize repetitive tasks by moving tasks to the next stage automatically when completed. And don't forget about forms, which are handy for content requests or managing approval processes. And there you have it, your marketing project is all set up in Asana. By effectively setting up and managing your project, you can ensure that your team stays organized and productive. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.